Jade plant is one of the most common species used for bonsai. That is shooting up in popularity is jade bonsai. Jade bonsai is a succulent and is often viewed as the perfect species to keep indoors. But how can you turn a jade plant into bonsai? That is what this video is all about. To get started with a bonsai jade plant, you first need to prepare your gear and also sterilize the tools. Choose the bonsai shape for the jade plant. Various classical bonsai forms can be used to style a jade plant, such as bending or a casual upright style. Trim any huge roots that are decaying or spreading downwards. Likewise, cut off the branches that are drooping with red and diseased. Shaping the jade plant according to your desired shape to make your jade bonsai suit the pattern. Use careful wiring to manage your bonsai. To keep the jade in place, wrap aluminium wire all about branches and stretch into the forms you choose. Maintaining the bonsai shape by just pinching down or pruning either once or twice throughout the growth period is required to keep the bonsai in shape. Keep the jade bonsai well watered to prevent it from withering out. Make sure you do not overwater it. You can replant the jade bonsai plant over a couple of years in the spring or summer season after it has developed itself in the pot. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, provide your comments in the comment box.